welcome to Prozone Solar Systems. Here I'm going to show you what is called wireless switch. So when I switch on this light is going to switch on. Ceiling lights. It runs from 12 volt and it is of 12 watt power. So here there is no wiring done. So it is just pasted with a double sticker. So you can place it anywhere. If you want here or if you want there, anywhere you can place it. It's very easy. So what you have to do is just press on this, it switches on. It's a good brightness and it's very simple to use. So this is a complete new technology which saves your wiring a lot. Thank you very much.